Hello, my name is Florian Jakob and I'm going to show you around a little bit on ProfitCloud.io, the IIoT platform from Phoenix Contact. And in this video, we are going to take a look at the time series data service and how to set up an alert in the graph widget. If you haven't done so far, please watch the how to set up a notification channel video and how to set up the first dashboard with the graph widget, because these are the needed things for this video. And now, without further ado, let's dive right in. I already have the dashboard open with the graph widget I want to use. So everything I need to do is click on the name to have the drop down and click on edit, and everything looks as intended. Let's take a look at the alert tab over here. As you can see, the panel, so the visualization, has no alert rule defined. And we can now create an alert. And we can see directly that the small broken heart is now visible over here. And I can now take a look at the alert section over here. So the first thing is I want to give that a speaking name because it's a subject of my email. And it will be evaluated every 1 minute, and it will check if the state that is alerting is for more than 5 minutes. It will go into a pending stage within the 5 minutes, and as soon as it will be longer in a pending stage for 5 minutes, then you will get an email. When the average of my query, in this case it's query A, or let's say the state of charge, for longer than 5 minutes from now minus 1 minute is above, it doesn't make sense in this case, is below 0.4 because it's somewhere over here, I want to be notified. I could also add more conditions, more queries, and whatever you like, but the basic functionality like this is how it goes. Now I can set also the how I want the system to react when there are no data or all values are null. I can set the state to no data. So I'm getting an email that says you will not get any data. I could keep the last state, or I could say it is okay. To be honest, I would set it to alerting, because if I don't get any values from my graph, I would love to know why this is the case. Same goes for if execution error or timeout, I will set the state to alerting. So now comes where the notification channel comes into play. I can now send it to one of my channels. So in this case, it's this channel we have created before, and I can now write a message. I could now add some transparency, like the location, what could be the countermeasures, and so on and so on. And I can give it some a tag to actually make use of the tags when sorting the alerts. But that's it. I can now test the rule, and I can see it's not firing because it's at the moment above 40% of state of charge, so that's everything is fine. I can then say apply. Don't forget to save the dashboard and update it once, and there we go. And after the update, you can also see that everything seems to be all right, as you can see over here. Thank you very much for watching these small video snippets. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. We are more than happy to show you around, give you a live demonstration of what we are showing here. And we are very curious about your use cases, so please reach out. Have a good day. Bye-bye.